the comparison between the original SALN at 2008 and the current SALN at 2024 constitutes unexplained wealth.
So gusto ko ituro nila doon sa listahan saan doon exactly ang unexplained. Para naman ako, maayos akong makasagot. Like say for example lang, sasabihin nila, oh, itong property sa Matina, oh, itong taon na ito at itong property na ito. O para ako masabi, saan galing yung pera na pinambili dyan? At para ko mapakita sa iyo yung mga dokumento. Hindi yung tira-bahala na
Unexplained wealth.
unexplained wealth. Unexplained wealth. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kung ganun ang sasabihin mo, paninira lang yan.
Today, I fired the whole of the Commission of the Urban Poor. Si Rindong, yung chairperson, he was appointed September and he traveled about 7 times. And to think that the office is an urban poor agency, I simply cannot